Is Udemy actually worth learning from? That's a question a lot of people ask before buying their first course. And honestly, the answer depends less on Udemy and more on what you're trying to learn. If you're expecting a course to magically change your career overnight, you'll probably be disappointed. But if you're looking for practical skills that you can apply immediately, Udemy can be one of the most valuable learning platforms available today. The reason is simple. Most Udemy courses focus on real-world skills rather than academic theory. Whether you're learning ChatGPT, AI, Python, data science, digital marketing, AWS, cybersecurity, web development, project management, copywriting, graphic design, or business strategy, the goal is usually to help you do something, not just understand it. That's why freelancers use Udemy to expand their services. Agency owners use it to keep up with industry changes. E-commerce sellers learn advertising and marketing strategies. SaaS founders improve technical and business skills. And professionals use it to stay competitive in a rapidly changing job market. Now, let's be honest. Not every course on Udemy is great. Since courses are created by different instructors, quality varies. That's why checking ratings, reviews, enrollment numbers, and course updates before purchasing is important. But when you choose highly rated courses from reputable instructors, the value can be incredible compared to the cost. Many learners spend less than the cost of a lunch and gain skills that help them earn more money, improve productivity, or solve real business problems. So, is Udemy worth learning from? If you are committed to applying what you learn, then for most people, absolutely yes. And if you're planning to enroll in a course, check the description below first. I've included the latest Udemy discount link, available promotions, and current coupon offers that may help you get the best price possible. And if you enjoy finding honest software reviews, online course deals, coupon codes, and learning resources that provide real value, subscribe to the channel because that's exactly what we share here on a regular basis. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.